Taking a look at Axie Infinity on the daily chart, I've drawn this green line to signify where we have currently bottomed out at. You can see this green line is relatively close to the previous high of April 21. Taking a look at the Ichimoku cloud and the EMA ribbon on the daily, you can see I've already successfully retested the EMA ribbon here and found another move down. This is to be expected as we rarely ever break the EMA ribbon to the upside on the first test of it. And you can see it's still relatively wide here, which really isn't a great sign. We could come all the way up to the 0.5 level on the Fibonacci retracement, say around $17 before we find another rejection out of here. We'll really just have to see what happens. The Ichimoku cloud is relatively far away from us, so it's not that much of a concern at the moment, at least until we break the EMA ribbon to the upside. If we hop down on the 4 hourly, it looks like we're having somewhat of a bear flag form here. This uptrending channel like this is typically a bearish indicator, especially when we have a downtrend moving into it. We should expect another downtrend out of it. Ichimoku cloud is widening, which really isn't a great sign, and you can see we are below the 200 EMA here. If we hop down on the hourly, it's just a bigger picture of the 4 hourly pretty much. Here you can see the uptrending channel here that we have. You see we came to the top of the Ichimoku cloud and rejected off of the 200 EMA here, which really isn't a good sign. This just shows weakness, especially on the smaller time frame here. So really to sum things up here, it's not common that we bottom out between fib levels here, but if we do find a bottom here and make somewhat of a inverse head and shoulders pattern, we could see a move all the way up to this red box of resistance, which is where the top of the Ichimoku cloud is and where the 200 EMA is on the daily. And the bottom of this red box of resistance is sitting around $41. In my opinion, I think there is probably another move down for Axie Infinity, again, especially considering we are in between fibs like this. So whether we break down now or find a retest of the 0.5 level or somewhere within this EMA ribbon before we find another move down, we'll just have to see. But if we do have another move down, I suspect that we'll find a bounce somewhere around the 618 here at this previous high, or at least within this zone here, which is really sitting anywhere between $9 and $10. If we do break the 618 to the downside, it's probably going to be pretty magnetic to this green box here, which is sitting at these previous lows as well as this previous high right here. And the top of this green box is sitting around $3. This is all I have for Axie Infinity today. If you enjoyed this video, go hit the like button. If you haven't subscribed already, go ahead and do so. If you'd like to join the Discord, I'll post the link to it in the description below. As always, this is not financial advice, and I'll see you in the next one.